Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Bless Vlog. Guys, today I am going to tell you, you have lots of topic to speak. I don't know why you think about until you have partner you can't practice. Of course you can practice. You can practice on any topic and you can choose topic. You don't need to buy any book that okay uh, in order to get topic I have to buy any book. No, here I am going to tell you how you have to find this uh, topic for you to speak to practice. See guys, suppose yesterday you didn't have money and 2 years ago you are in the village and one day your friend called you and 2 days ago you saw a beautiful girl in the market. So if you like create this type of topic, so you can speak. Suppose yesterday I saw a beautiful girl in the market. This is my topic, so I'm going to speak on this topic. So if you do this, of course you are going to become fluent English. And not only I'm not only going to tell you how to speak, but also I'm going to tell you how to ask question after speaking on this topic. So let me speak. So my topic is yesterday I saw a beautiful girl in the market. So okay, yesterday I got up early in the morning, I got fresh, then I took breakfast, and then my mom gave me money to buy some vegetables. So I went to market and I started buying vegetable. While I was buying vegetable, all of a sudden I saw a beautiful girl holding a purse. All of a sudden one unknown boy came and he snatched the girl's purse and he ran away. That girl started shouting, hey, someone is running, stealing my wallet, please catch him. None of them uh, got ready to catch that boy. So I thought, no, I should help this woman. Then I stopped buying vegetable and I started running after that boy. After covering some distance, I caught that boy and I said, hey, why did you steal that girl's purse? Then he said, bro, please, I need some money. Please let me go. I really need money. I said, for what do you need money? Then he said to me, no, sir, I need 5,000 rupees. If I don't submit 5,000 rupees in the hospital, so doctor said to me, I can't save your mom. Please let me go. I said, oh my God. So he checked. Then I checked the purse and I found only 3,000 rupees. Then I said to him, okay, there is only 3,000 rupees. How can you save your mom? Then I had like 5,000 rupees. Then I gave him 5,000 rupees and he folded his hand and he said to me, thank you. Then I said, okay, you can go. Then he went away from there and I took that purse and I went to that girl and I gave her uh, that purse. Seeing her purse, she got elected. She said to me, oh, thank you so much uh, for helping me. If you were not here, so who would who would have helped me? I said, okay, it's okay. And then she asked me, why didn't you catch that boy here? I said, no, actually, when I asked him, why did you steal that purse? So he said to me, actually, my mom, she is in the hospital. That is why I needed some money. And hearing his story, I felt pity and I gave him my 5,000 rupees, but I didn't give your 3,000 rupees to him. She said, oh my God, you are so kind-hearted person. Then she said to me, okay, my house is nearby market, so if you want, so you can go. I said, no, I'm getting late because I have to buy some vegetable and also I have to do lots of work at my home. She said, no, please, you have to go with me to my home. I said, okay. She started insisting, so I didn't deny. Then I went to her home. She welcomed me warmly from bottom of her heart, and she asked me to sit, and I sat on the couch. She made tea. Then I took tea and we talked a lot. Then she said to me, okay, Gyanen, I'm giving you 5,000 rupees, and whatever you give him, don't take that money back from him. It's kind of charity. I said, yes, ma'am. We have to help poor people because if we have, then we can get to. Then that is why we are getting chance to help other. If we didn't have, so it's okay. But if we have, so of course we can spend that money for other people so that they can also survive. She said, yes, I agree with you totally. Then she gave me 5,000 rupees. I didn't want to take, but she gave me forcefully. Then I said, okay, thank you so much, ma'am, and you are so kind-hearted woman, and you are totally down to earth. And she said, yes, okay, thank you so much. Then she said, okay, whenever you need anything, you can come to my home, I will help you. I said, thank you so much for this. Then I went from there and I took some vegetable and I went to my home. My mom asked me, why did you get late, where were you? Then I narrated all story to my mom. My mom said, okay, yes, you have to help people no matter in this condition you are. And after that, I took shower, took lunch, and I took siesta. So I'm not going to tell you whole story how to speak. If I wanted, so I could have created so many topics. So now I'm going to ask some questions related this story. Okay, so Gyanend, at what time did you wake up yesterday? Yesterday I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, what did you do then? Then I got fresh and took breakfast. And after taking breakfast, where did you go? After taking breakfast, I went to market. Why did you go to market? I went to market because my mom, she wanted me to buy some vegetables. So did you go? Yes, I went. How did you go? I went by taxi. Okay, how much money did you have? I have like 5,000 rupees. Okay, so after reaching market, what did you do? After reaching market, I started buying vegetables. Okay, so what happened while you were buying vegetables? Actually, I saw a beautiful girl, and also I saw a boy who snatched the purse of that beautiful girl. Oh, why did that boy snatch the girl, snatched the purse of girl? See, he snatched because he needed some money. Why did he need some money? He needed some money because his mom was ill. She was in the hospital. Okay, so who caught that boy? I caught that boy. So did you slap him? No, I didn't slap him. Why didn't you slap him? Because he was a innocent boy. But he snatched the purse of the girl. So what? He needed some money that time. That is why he became a thief. Okay, so what did you do then? Then I gave my 5,000 rupees and I came back to that girl, and I returned her wallet. So what did she say? She didn't say anything. I said to her that I didn't catch that boy because he was an innocent boy. His mom is in the hospital and he needed some money. He needed 5,000 rupees. That is why I gave him 5,000 rupees. She said, oh my God, you are so kind-hearted person. So she gave me 5,000 rupees. Oh, that's great. So did that woman take you to her home? Yes, she took me to her home and I took tea. Then what did you do? Then I came back to home and I told my mom everything. So guys, I narrated all the thing because I don't have so much time, because I have to go somewhere. That is why I narrated. Just if I wanted, so I would have narrated this story with leisurely, but I didn't. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm here to push you how to become fluent in English. Bye.